I have just over 500 pallet palings that need to be trimmed either side, so 1,000 cuts on the table saw altogether. I'm first doing one edge of each paling. We're currently in a rainy season, so I decided to set my saw up under cover. I've had this table saw for quite a long time, but this is the first time I have mounted it to a bench that has some decent height. This is way more comfortable. So many paralysed spiders, and they are so beautiful. I've made some room on the opposite bench so I can start stacking my once ripped palings over there. The next day, the sun's out for once, which is nice. But that didn't last long. This electrical setup is not ideal, but we don't have power to this shed and the rain isn't going away anytime soon, and I've got to keep working. I can now add these ones to this side. .500 palings trimmed once, now to do them all again. The sideways rain is back. The sideways rain has stopped, so I can get back to it. I'm slowly getting through them all. Time to change out the old blade. It has been quite a while. Done. Well, this step anyway. I've pulled apart all the pallets, trimmed up both sides of all the palings. The next video going up is the planing of them all.